Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this greeny warm coloring in CapCut Mobile. So the first thing that you need to do is of course add your clips and then go to filter. Here click on the movies category and then add the hope filter, this one, and set it to 100. Now go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -6 and contrast increase it to 6, and the saturation -4 and the brilliance -2, and increase the sharpness into around 14 or 15. Now click on the grabs, and for the white color I'm using 6 beats like this, 6 point. You can actually adjust it to fit your video, but I'm going to adjust it like this. Now for the red color, just do it like this. Okay, go back and click on the highlight, shadow, sorry, and increase it to around 13. The temperature 9. The hue -6. And add some vignette effect around 4. And you are done. Click on the check icon and this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.